Right, so our next challenge is going to be a horrible one. We have to eat as much of the 2 lemons we have on our plate as we
2
can.
whole lemons.
Yeah, 2 whole lemons for quarters. Yeah, basically we've got to eat as much lemon as we can, and whoever eats the most wins a point. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Good on this already.
Look at it now. My days. Bit yours.
You just ejaculated what me.
Me. What's that sick bug?
Little seeds. 1.
Oh, my days.
Let's try this another way.
Oh god, I've got it on my face.
Well, I'm not gonna believe I've just done this, but
Me neither. Ah.
oh. That's 2. My eyes are watering. Oh.
Yay, number 3.
Number 3. Oh, it's a big one. The seeds. Try not to wipe my eyes with my hands, I'll just get lemon in my eyes and crumble. Oh, that tastes awful.
Oh my god. Let me do it.
3. I don't think they're properly ripe or whatever there is.
Got to win at this one. Got to win at this one.
I should have gave you the bigger lemons.
Oh.
Oh, let's get the seed out. Oh. It's burning in my mouth.
Come on.
How do you it?
Oh, I've got 4 left. Same as you.
Seeds in it.
You're hiding your face with your hair. It's so cheating. This is not fair 'cause some of the skin's left on and I can't bite it. Oh. Oh.
I've got a cotton inside of my mouth, it's burning. Right, this is my 5th one. Oh, I don't see a seed in there. Oh, I can't get the seed out. I see you. Let's try to get the seed out.
Double your juice.
5th one, let's go.
This is just lethal. Oh my god. That was this one.
I thought I'd put out a seed.
You win.
How many gone?
3.
I've got 3 as well. It's going to be another draw, isn't it? Oh, it's really burning
Oh,
my
it's like
second
coming
now.
off. It's going down, it's going down. You just do another one.
Oh. That's disgusting.
What's this drink
These
challenge
don't
like?
even taste like normal lemons.
I feel sick.
Oh, my mouth feels horrible.
Man. This is not nice.
Oh. Are you done?
What?
Are you done?
No!
So got that bit to eat.
I got that, no! My mouth's burning. My teeth got oil.
I don't think I've ever eaten so much lemon in my life.
I'm actually getting sores in my lips.
I am.
Slow down a bit, when. Oh man.
Ah. I don't even want to eat it. Oh, it's probably this bad boy part. Eat it bit by bit. It's a bit like orange. There's some salt in there.
I think I could be sick.
Really?
I've ate lemon so much in my life. It's never going on my kebab again. And my mouth's really sore.
Mum. I'm never eating lemon again. Oh,
Last piece.
really?
Go on.
I've still got some suffering to do to catch up with you. Don't think I'm giving in
Give
until you've eaten
Give
that
in.
last bit of lemon. My mouth is burning. I don't want it.
Go on, I'll wait for you for the last piece. Oh. It's not nice.
Because I thought I was kicked last bit down. Let's get the juice out of it first.
Oh! My mouth's so sore. Oh, that's done. You could do it down the hatch. Oh, yummy.
Oh, I really struggled to swallow that last bit.
Alright, there's 2 whole lemons eaten. Well done.
So that's another draw.
Yeah.
So what's the point now? It's our 3rd challenge.
So draw on the marshmallows.
Draw on the bread, wasn't it?
Yep. And now to draw on lemons.
Yeah. So at the moment we're both in a draw. I wonder what will happen in the next challenge. Right, yeah, if you'd like to request a challenge or a dare or anything, as per usual, you'll find our details in the video information below. Yeah, keep watching, subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.